When it comes to our health and well-being, we often focus on individual factors like diet and exercise and genetics. However, a crucial aspect that significantly influences our overall health is our social connections and sense of community. Community and social connections have a profound impact on our mental well-being, and social support from others, this is going to be a problem for me, can reduce stress and anxiety. It can improve mood and overall sense of happiness, enhance your self-esteem and confidence, and provide emotional support during difficult times. But our social connections also significantly influence our physical health by lowering our blood pressure and our heart rate, by improving our sleep quality. It can boost our immune system and reduce chronic pain and inflammation. There are some things that you can do to make life feel a little bit easier. You can join local clubs or organizations that align with your interests. You can volunteer in your community. You can attend community events and gatherings, take a new class or workshop to meet new people, or just hang out with friends. Just make sure that they're not toxic. Community plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being. And by building and nurturing our social connections, we can lead happier lives, healthier lives too. So don't forget this part of your overall lifestyle. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to reach out to us at hello@bemehealth.ca. Thanks for watching and have a great day.